Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Look at Ichi. At least I believe it's pronounced Ichi, based on my research. That's what I found, but if I am incorrect, please let me know in the comments, let everybody else know, because I don't want to be pushing false pronunciations of words. And I do believe it is a Japanese word in origin, but again, I could be incorrect on that, so let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just gonna carry on. What is Ichi? It is a puzzle game available on a few different platforms. You can get it for your PC, your Mac, your iOS device, or your Android device. So you're covered whether you have a desktop computer, laptop computer, smartphone, or even a tablet. So that's kind of cool. However, if you own a console, a gaming console, you're shit out of luck on that. So sorry about that, but most people these days have a computing device of some sort, other than a console. So how much does it sell for? Well, that really depends on what device you're getting it on. You can get it for $1 in the mobile version for iOS or Android, and as well there is a free light version available for Android. But of course, if you get that, you have to put up with ads and things of that nature. So why not spend the buck? Pay the developers; they deserve it. If you're getting it on PC, that you can get for $3 on their own website. And by the way, that is Stolen Couch Games is the developer. They're a Dutch company. Oh, you know how much I despise the Dutch. But $3 on their website, or you can buy it from different sources for your PC. If you're getting it on Mac, you have to pay $4 on the Mac App Store. So that's probably because there's Apple steals a little chunk of the change, so really the developer's not seeing all $4 of that. So that's why the difference in price for that versus PC. Either way, not a lot of money. You can buy this for the same price it costs you to get a Big Mac, and it won't give you diarrhea, and it might actually make you smarter. So without further ado, let's get to the game. I'm showing you here there are 3 different modes, elements to the game, I guess. One is just this straight up play the game. It's a puzzle game, so there are built-in puzzles. We can play those. We can create our own puzzles and upload them and share them with the world, or we can even go and check out puzzles that other people have made, which is cool because I won't be making very many puzzles, and if I do, then well, they're gonna suck. Maybe I'll make one later just to show you guys, but let's get to the main game. I'm only going to show you a few levels because I don't want to ruin the element of surprise. This being a puzzle game, and that's the only element. It's not like some shooter where, you know, even if you know what you have to do, the fun is doing it. This is kind of like, the fun is figuring it out on your own. So I don't want to ruin it by showing you too many of the complex levels. So I'll just show you kind of the tutorial levels. Like any puzzle game, we're going to deal with some levels that just show us the different elements slowly, piece by piece, so that we can eventually fully understand the game. We're not bombarded with too many elements at one time. So they did a pretty good job with that. Let's start with the first level, an intro level. That's a clever name. And how the game works is you really only need one finger, one digit, one pointer, one whatever. You're just clicking, right? So that's why it works well on tablets and smartphones. I imagine it was actually designed primarily for those and ported to PC just because, hey, it's easy to use a mouse instead of your finger, and maybe you want to sit at home and play it on a bigger screen. Not that it's necessary, but I'm sure their logic was, hey, we already have all the code. It takes, I don't know how long it actually takes. Let's assume 10 minutes to change it from using your finger to your mouse. I know it does. It takes more than 10 minutes. I'm oversimplifying it, but you understand what I'm saying. So why not put it on another platform when it doesn't take a whole rewrite of the game? So maybe it does, but again, it's a simple game, so rewriting it over is probably not the end of the world for them. Anyways, I'm talking about things I really don't know and you probably don't care about. So tap anywhere on the screen to rotate the red triangle. So we have a few different elements just to start out with. One, this is the ball. You can see this kind of faded little yellow streak. That just shows you the direction the ball is going to start moving in when we tap. First time we tap, that's when things kick into gear. The goal is to get this ball into this little rotating halo, this little golden ring. I don't know, let's pretend it's a vagina, then we have more incentive to get there. This is a reflector triangle. Can't move it. It just stays there. Whereas this red triangle is one we can actually rotate. And you see this, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of a very faded red circle. And that just shows you, that's like the radius that you rotate it. Yeah, I think that's the correct terminology. Anyways, we're gonna click start and show you guys finally the gameplay. So what you see here is it's just gonna keep going on its own forever unless I do something. Because as it is right now, we can't get it to that little vagina. Golden vagina. We're putting the pussy on a pedestal. So we're gonna rotate it. Boom. In the hole. Intercourse achieved. Penetration. All that good stuff. And level A cleared. So we did it in 2 taps. And I'm gonna show you. Let's go to the next level. Spikes. Ah! Spikes is the first element of danger. Pretty much the only element of danger that can kill you are these spikes. So if the ball runs into a spike, it kills the ball. Or, yeah, I guess we'll call it a ball. Well, we might as well call it a penis since we're going into the vagina. I don't know about you guys, but I keep balls out of vaginas. Okay, I'm just, wow, my mind is wandering. And, so it restarts the level if you hit the spike with your ball. And you think, on the earlier levels it's not a huge deal, but when levels get very complex, you don't want to restart unnecessarily. So, we're gonna start this. Boom, the ball goes here. Boom, goes through that ring, but it hits a spike. But we have to hit both of these rings now. So, how do we avoid that? Also, we only get so many taps, as they call them, taps, or I'll probably end up calling them clicks or turns or whatever, before our grade goes down. We get 3 taps to keep our grade A. And obviously you want grade A because that's the best grade. They don't have any pluses or minuses, it's just a solid letter grade, A, B, C, etc. And Foxman always gets straight A's. So, you know, we have to get an A. We have to do this in 3 turns or less. So, click it again, and this time I want it to go over here. Let's see, let it go down there. Got 2 more taps. 1, 2. Oh, shiza. I think I did this wrong. 3. See, we got a B grade there. I'm not happy with that. So let's replay and try and figure out what the fudge we did wrong. Here we go. We'll tap this sucker. Okay, I think I see it. Let it go up there. And voila. In the hole. And we got our grade A. Level 3, Traffic Cop. This is, again, same kind of mechanics. They haven't added any new elements in this one. It's just a little more complex. Gets you thinking a little bit more. And we only get 2 turns. That seems kind of crazy to me. A little cray-cray. Shit's cray-cray. So what do I want? The ball's gonna go here, it's gonna bounce, it's gonna come down, it's gonna go back up, it's gonna go this way. Okay, I got an idea. Just gonna let the ball go its course for a couple seconds. Bounce back here. Okay, now we're gonna turn it. Now, go up there. Rotate it once more. There. Simple, simple. You guys are thinking this is a child's game, a baby's game, or maybe your grandma, grandpa plays. And you know what? I actually suggest they play this because it's these kind of games that get your brain working. After so long in life, your brain just starts to fail. You need to keep using it. If you don't use it, you lose it. Remember that, kids. So maybe actually show this game to your grandparents. If they got an iPad or something like that, be like, hey, grandma, for $1, go buy this. And she'll be like, oh, thank you, little Billy boy. Give us a kiss. You want a cookie? Mmm. Anyways, I'm hungry. We're gonna go on to the next level before I start drooling and peeing my pants. I don't know about you guys, but I pee my pants when I'm hungry. So this one looks a little more complex. We have 5 taps, but I believe we can do it. We can do it. It's gonna go this way, this way, this way. Let's just give it a test run. Sometimes I like to just let things go and give it another roll. There's nothing saying we can't do it again. So it's gonna bounce back there. Gonna keep going that route. Obviously, we want this one to be our last one. So we have to get these two first. So let's try this. Okay. Now we have 3 turns left. So... okay. After some of these levels, they just take care of themselves. Once you get to a certain point, it just seems logical. You know what to do. Or at least you think you know what to do. But at some point, they also get so fucking complex that you can't see that far enough ahead. So if you're some sort of chess master who can compute 20 turns ahead, you'll do wonderful at this game. If any of you, most of you who follow me are probably... no Northern Lion, he's probably the reason why you're here. Probably didn't tell you. Maybe he did. I don't know. He used to be a little chess dork. He used to win tournaments and stuff. So I'm sure he would be wonderful at this game. You can let him know I told you that. This one, again, same elements, but it's getting a little cray-cray. Little cray-cray. But how do we want to do it? Which is the last one we want? I don't think there really is. So let's just go. Gonna let it go. Let's bring it down here. Bring it down. Boom, boom. Yes. Okay. I don't know what to do. Oh, I royally fucked this one up. But whatever. You guys. I don't want to show you the perfect solution every time because then this isn't going to be not going to be any challenge for you. So let's go. We're gonna move ahead a little bit because I've been playing this for a while, and I've got a few levels unlocked. So I want to show you. This one? This one's cool. This adds another element, another object. These are portals. So when the ball goes into this portal, it'll come out in this portal. And I could just call it a purtle. I don't know if purtle is a real thing, but it's gonna be now. I'm gonna purtle you so hard, baby. This element is a block. So when the ball hits it, it can only hit it once and then it disintegrates. So obviously that matters because we only have one chance to hit this, it'll bounce back. But if we don't move this guy, then it'll bounce back again, and there's no block there, and it's gonna hit the spike, and we're gonna be dead. So we don't want that. So let's just start. Shit. Oh, okay. So that's a problem. We gotta do that twice, and okay, let it go down here. Okay, we got 4 moves left. Okay, so we can actually... Fuck. We have to hit that one 3 times? Okay, let's start this over. So 1, 2. Let it go this way. 1, 2, 3. Oh! There... Oh! Oh! There we go. That was close. Okay, I just kind of started to panic on that one. So that's kind of cool. Little element. We're going to select another level. Boop, 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 boop. Let's go on down here, see, and I'll actually show you. There's 12 levels that are preloaded into the game on each page. We've got a few pages, you can see those little dots down here. You unlock the next level by completing the previous level, I think. Then why don't I have grades on these? I think it has to do with these points. That's right, and that's another element to create revenue for the game. You can actually use real world money to unlock levels. So if you're really impatient and you just want to have all levels available to you, you can just buy them straight up cash, which obviously supports the developer. But if you're more stubborn and patient like I am, they're not going to see an extra dime. I'm just joking. But you can actually pay what you want after the $3 on their website for their game. So maybe you say, you guys deserve $100 for this game. You can go and do that if you're a nice guy. That'd be saintly of you to pay $100 for a simple puzzle game. Yeah, here are the other other locked levels currently. So we have a total of 51, and these are coming soon. So they're gonna update the game. That's kind of nice of them. Hopefully they don't charge anything. This last page is just kind of a little advertisement for the game. You can share your levels with your friends and rate them and all this kind of stuff. And you can even gift Ichi to somebody. So go gift it to your grandma. Do that right now. Be a good grandson or granddaughter, or daughter or son if it's for your parents. I don't know. Or you give it to your brother. Be like, hey brother, you've been real good lately. You know, I don't always say it, but you're a good brother to me. And I love you. And give him a hug and then give him this game. Go do it. I told you to. Love thy family. And anyways, I'm gonna go and do... I don't want to do something too complex. Let's try this level, see what's going on here. Level 13, Butterfly. Ah yes, this is one of my other favorite elements, is these little guys are kind of a pale blue, and you can toggle those on and off. So you can get the ball, can either go through them, or you can toggle it on, and it'll bounce off it. And that's kind of clever, I suppose. So let's see if we can do this one. We only get 2 taps. Let's start. I'm gonna go full circle. And this one, we have to reverse the direction, as you can see, because the angle is here. We can't turn it. Boom. And now it's invisible again. Voila. Again, this is a simple level. I don't want you guys thinking this is an easy game, because it's not. So maybe I'll try and pick a hard one. Probably won't finish it, at least not with an A grade. This is the hardest one I have, Mr. Cactus. Mr. Cactus. We get 12 goes before we drop down to a B. What? Ball's moving in that direction? Doesn't make any sense. Oh no, it's not. It's gonna go that way. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Go that way. We want it to bounce off. Change direction. Gonna bounce there. Let's just go with it. Okay. I can deal with this. Oh, fuck. Darn it. Okay, let's go again. Oh, no, we need to do it 3 there. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. But wait, oh, so, okay, sorry, my bad. This has to be the last one, because by the time you get this little dinky rinky, it's gonna go into the spike. So, we have to go this way. This way. Ah. Click on. Click off. Click on. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Click on. There we go. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, I see. Click it. Click it. Click it. I wasn't efficient, but we got it. We got a B. That's Foxman's first B ever. That's okay. That's okay. I can deal with that. So I'm gonna go select the level. Now we're gonna go back. I want to show you guys how to create your own level. Isn't that fun? We're gonna create a level. Actually, this is one I previously made. I'll show you it. I called it Anatomy because I didn't think I could call it Penis. It might get rejected. It kind of looks like a penis. I don't know. It's as close as I could get. If you can't make it out, then I'm sorry. But it's a simple level I made. Just a kind of a proof of concept that I could do it and upload it. So you start it out here. Boom, boom, and you're thinking, oh, god damn it. Foxman has defeated us again. There's no way to get there. But you can see this little jiggly wiggly. That means that you can toggle that triangle. So we just gotta toggle it off, and boom, in the vagina. That's good. Or that could be a butthole too, I guess. It looks more like a butthole, a golden butthole. So that's anatomy. I created that one. Let's do another one. What's cool is they give you some templates, level templates you can start with. You don't have to stick to them, but it just helps give you a boost, give your creative juices a little boost. So let's start with this mofo. And what are we gonna do, guys? I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm not good at making things difficult, at least not in a rush. I'll show you another. Ah, yes. Oh, okay, actually, yeah. This is another item we didn't get to, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna rotate it, and we're gonna test this to show you exactly what it does. Ball goes in the diaper or the underpants, and it splits like that. That's kind of cool. But I don't want to publish that yet. We gotta, I mean, that just completes itself. That's not challenging. So let's add a couple of, what can we add? Let's add some, I like portals. So, oh, can we like create a paradox? Or some game-breaking thing? We'll see. Let's see what happens. Ball's gonna go in here. I have broken the game. Not really broken it, but see, because the ball goes in here, comes out here, goes in this teleporter, which means it comes out this way, and it's gonna bounce off, and then it go this way, which means then it comes out this way. Kind of cool, but you know, you can't really do anything. So let's go back and we're gonna delete these. You can delete items. We can even delete these if we want, but I don't want to delete them. I like them there. Let's just delete this guy, just that I've shown you what it can do. And actually there's one other item, this little guy. This little guy lets you draw, let's see, sure. This isn't really going to work for the level, but I'm going to show you what it does. Actually, no, sorry, I have to go back. We have to. Nope, can't do that. Whatever. Okay, let's play it. Just to show you what the item does. Basically, when the ball is going, and if it's going along this path, you click it, and the ball will actually draw like a pencil. And what that does is it creates a temporary wall, which is the same as those blocks. So when the ball finally comes back and it hits that wall, it's going to disappear after that. So it'll reflect off it once and then it'll be gone. So that's kind of cool too. It's, again, it's like the block, but it's much longer, and you actually have to draw it at the right moment. So this game is time sensitive, right? You have to be quick and make your moves quick before the ball gets there. So you can see that pencil line. It's kind of like that, but when you actually, and that'll work anytime you're playing the game. If you just click and hold, it'll draw a pencil line. However, if it's not on this path, the pencil isn't gonna stay. It'll just go away immediately. So that's kind of cool. But let me get rid of that. Delete this mofo. And you can edit and do all this stuff on your mobile device, which is nice. It's very touch friendly. I'm pretty sure they geared it towards. I mentioned that earlier, but I'm just reaffirming it. As well, we can delete walls. Or we can add them. Let's actually add some. Let's just delete these for cosmetic reasons. I don't know. Let's go like that. And like that. Like that. It's gonna look more intimidating. Somebody's gonna look at this level and be like, oh shit. This guy is mad scientist. Foxman has gone mad. Ball's gonna come here and we're gonna get some items. Let's go with the old Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. And then let's go. Let's get another one. Put it here. And get another one. Put it here. This is not gonna work. Let's play it anyways. I don't even, what the hell? I didn't even finish. So it's just gonna go boom, boom. We can make it. World's worst map ever. Boom, boom, boom. How do we... Okay, whatever. I'm actually gonna make a game or a level we can beat, just so you guys can see. We're gonna move this guy down here. Gonna delete this guy. Gonna delete this guy, and you can't delete. You have to have at least one of these, which is cool. They put that in the game. And so let's just test this motherfucker out. We don't even have to do anything. This is just gonna auto-complete, although we can turn that guy if we want. Let's publish. I want to publish it. Oh, maybe that's why. Okay. There we go. Because it auto-completed, you didn't have to do anything, and I think it detects that, which is nifty. So now let's play and test this. So you have to do 3 turns. And boom shakalaka. Can we, or maybe it's just because I didn't type a name for the game. We're gonna call this Dumb. Why typing Dum. Oh, we have a limit. We're just gonna call it Dumb Bum. By me, let's publish this level. And you can see here, so it's actually published. It gives us a code, OOG2, and that's your way of, you can say, hey, Billy Joel, I created this new level in Ichi. It's really fun and really hard. You can't beat it because I'm so smart. I made a level you can't beat. Or that's something I would probably say to Northern Line. And then he'd be like, oh yeah, well let me try it out. And then you're like, okay, go to OOGG. And he will not beat it. Or he will. Who knows? So that's just a way for you to share your levels with friends if you've made one specific. That's the easy way, because it'd be hard to search for things based on names. Anybody can create any name for anything, and you know, the code is a unique identifier for each level. That's a cool idea. So let's go and see. And actually, the level, since I've been playing, a few levels have gone. Some other people have created them, so that's cool that people are playing it and using it. However, let's see, it's loading, so let's give it a couple seconds. Boom, 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 boom. I want this to load. Boom, 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 bum, 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 bum. So I don't know. It was loading earlier for me. Something funky's going on. Maybe the game is, their servers are experiencing high traffic. I don't know. But essentially, you can search your codes here. You can check out, you know, the last ones you played, best rated, most popular. I guess best rated would be highest rated, popular would just be most played. And that's cool. Unfortunately, I can't really show you guys because this is taking forever to load up, and I don't want to be sitting here with us all looking at a blank screen. So maybe something funky is going on with my internet. I don't know. Maybe something funky is going on with their servers, but essentially it's the same sort of gameplay as the main. It's just, you know, other people are making levels. So there's going to be hard stuff. There's going to be easy stuff, fun stuff. There's a lot of people making dick jokes on there with their levels, like my anatomy level. And it's an interesting game. So go check it out. Again, you can get it on your PC, on your Mac, on your Android, or your iOS devices. Prices vary from free version with ads to $1 to up to $4 for the PC or the Mac version, or $3 for the PC version. So it's cool. If you like puzzle games, give it a look. Give it a couple dollars. Let me know what you think in the comments if you're a puzzle fan or not. And if you're not, this game is something you'll probably want to pass up. But if you are into puzzle games, it's a great thing if you take the train or the bus or anything like that on a daily basis. And a good way to wake up your brain. These are the kind of games I actually like to play in the morning. You think, oh, you're kind of asleep and out of it, but that's the best time because it kicks your brain into high gear, and by the time you get to work, you're like, all right, Johnson, let's do this shit. We're gonna go into that meeting and bust some skulls open. And yeah, it makes you quicker, makes you on your feet. So anyways, I'm gonna shut up, go check it out, and have fun, and maybe make some levels, and you can always link me the codes in the comments, and I'll actually check them out on my own time. That's a cool thing to do, and I'll be like, oh yeah, your level sucks or your level's awesome. Who knows? So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.